Hello all. This video is about data preprocessing, and for this demo I'm going to consider images, audio files, text files and 3D models. For all these files I'm going to follow a common pattern. First I'm going to drop the files here, and after that I'm going to preprocess them, and then I'm going to augment them. Okay, this is the sample data which I have collected for the demonstration purpose. First I'm going to load this text file. Yeah, so you can see the original content of this file. This is just a sample data. I'm going to pre-process this, and for pre-processing these are all the steps applied, and I'm going to augment it now. Okay, in augmentation the text is reversed, and this is the shuffled version of that file, and simplified version, and this is the expanded version. Okay, so next I'm going to load the image file. Yeah, so this is the original image, and I'm going to pre-process this image. Okay, these are all the steps applied for the pre-processing. Noise reduction is done, sharpness is enhanced, contrast is enhanced, and the color balance is adjusted, and optimized brightness. And after augmenting, you can see it is rotated, and here it is flipped, and this is a brightened image, and this is the darkened image, like that. Okay, these are all the various steps applied for augmenting it. Okay, so now I'm going to load audio file. Okay, so this is the original audio file. Okay, so in this audio file typing is captured, and now pre-process it. Okay, so now this file is pre-processed, and here you can see what are all the steps applied for pre-processing. The audio is normalized, the silence is removed, and the noise is reduced. And let's augment it. Okay, so you can see the time stretched version and pitch shifted version. Okay, and this is the volume increased version and the reversed version. So now I'm going to load. Okay, it's a 3D file. Yeah, so it is a sample cube file. Okay, and it has a vertices of 8, and there are 12 faces, and water tight. Yes. Okay, and let's pre-process this. Yeah, so this is the pre-processed 3D model. Okay, and now let's augment it. Yeah, so in augmentation steps only one step is applied here, mirrored along x-axis. Okay, that's all for this video.